Let's finish the round neck shape. Okay, this is for the deep and deep, right? We'll finish the neck part. For finishing, see how to stick the canvas and how to do the cutting and all. Already we saw before videos. If you want, you can refer once again. Okay, now see, inside cut to cut and outside margin of 0.5 inches. First finish outside margin. Now place your main fabric right side of the main fabric and right side of the neck finishing part. Place it each other, these two facing each other. Now stitch for half inch. See, okay, this is round shape, that's why we need to take small cuts here. Okay, now next we have to press this one, same like this. Back part also, back neck also, finish it off. After that I will attach the shoulder. For the shoulder attachment, before class already we saw the shoulder attachment. Okay, see here, these two should match. Okay, place like this and stitch for 0.5 inches. Take one small cut here for easy folding. Complete fold back and do one more stitch. Now open. This is the shoulder attachment. Okay, see, this side it should come like this. Other side also I am showing again. See, open this one, complete this side open. These two should match 0.5 inch and stitch for half inch. See here it should match. Now you will be getting finishing like this. Inside how to stick the fusing tape and all, everything we saw in the previous videos. Okay, previous class, you can refer that one, how to finish this one. Okay.